Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have a new box today. It is Fruit for Thought, so let's get into it and check it out. This is a new box to the channel. Fruit for Thought reached out to me and asked if we'd like to review it, and I said yes because it sounds really fun. Each month they do a different box and it has a different fruit or vegetable theme or fruit and vegetable theme. And you get 5 to 7 products and they can be bath and body, home decor, jewelry, accessories, stationery, anything like that. So way more than that. And it's all based on the theme, whether it's the scent, maybe the color. Let's dig into it and I can explain it better. The box is $39.95 a month, and if you do an extended subscription at like 3, 6, or 12 months, it goes down with each of those. I will put all of the full details on pricing below, but with Kathrin 10, you will get 10% off your first subscription purchase from them. Whether you do a month or 12 months, you will get 10% off. They also have a shop, and you can use that 10% in the shop. This month's theme was Caramel Pear. How fantastic does that sound? And look how cute it is when you open it up. I wonder where she found that tissue paper. That is really cute. I was trying to open it without tearing it. I thought I might use that tissue paper for something. So cute. And when we open it up, that's what's on the inside. So let's dig into this. I always go over and do my due diligence when somebody offers us a box because I want something that I know I like, that I think you guys will be interested in. So there are offers that I take a pass on, but this sounded so perfect for the channel. And when I was over at the website, cheating, spoiler alert, she tells you the next several boxes what they're going to be. So if you were to order now by the 4th of December, which I know is not very long, the December box is pomegranate rhubarb. This was the November box, but you have to order by the 4th of the month to get that month's box. If you don't get it done by December 4th, like if you come to the video late, January is Tutti Frutti. February is black cherry chocolate chip. Yeah, I wrote these down because I was like, these sound fantastic. And then March is a personal favorite of mine, avocado toast. I know, I'm so 2019, but I love avocado toast. November's theme was Caramel Pear, and they do, and I saw this, have a limited edition in her shop that is the Winterberry themed box. It looks so nice. Oh, and they tell you right here, December's theme is going to be pomegranate rhubarb. So that's what the front looks like. What do we have on the back? Oh, okay. I was going to say, I thought it was a story, but it tells us about each product. She's just written something thoughtful about it, which is very nice. I also noticed when I was at the website that it said delivery for this box. They ship it out on the 3rd week of the month. So this is a Caramel Pear 2-ounce room spray. And that is what it looks like. And let's see if I can find it on here. I love pears and caramel, so I can't imagine I don't want this. Caramelized crimson pear room spray will fill your room and scent your linens with the scent of crimson pears sprinkled in caramelized brown sugar with fresh churned maple butter drizzled with honey and vanilla. And it's by Forever Shine Collections. And next out of the box, we have Eat This Spiced Caramel Pear Jam. That is what it looks like. It says refrigerate after opening. The paperwork says a repeat of a favorite company. This time the spiced caramel pear jam with hints of nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon pair with cheeses for perfect holiday entertaining. So far a room spray and a jam. This sounds so good. Oh, look how cute. Oh, you guys know I write everything. I just love notes and writing. Oh, it's a very nice little fine tip. I like that a lot. Boy, it's so fine. Can I even get it to you? And it has pears all over it. That is so stinking cute. It says at the website that it will be products made of the product or to look like the product or colors that represent the product. So this fits right in. That is so stinking cute. You guys know I write everything down. I journal, I keep calendars, I keep planners. I love adorable pins. Next out we have Kopuli Club Peaceful Pear Edible Tea. It is pear, banana, pineapple, cinnamon, and sweet anise. Edible tea? I don't know about this. Made in the USA, grown by small farmers in Colombia. I don't think I can make that work. It says it tastes like pear cider. Pour your ingredients into a 12-ounce cup, add boiling water, cover, steep for 10 minutes or more, sip, nibble, and enjoy. I could not be more intrigued. That sounds so neat. That is what it looks like. And that is so unique. I cannot wait to try this. So I see there's a tea bag. So you must take the tea bag out, and then it looks like there's apple bits. Can you guys tell that? This is so cute. Next out we have Little Apple Treats Spiced Apple Caramels. That sounds delicious. Apple cider caramels. We blend warm spices, cardamom, allspice, cinnamon into these award-winning caramels, giving you a slice of apple pie in every bite. And it's organic. Apple juice, organic sugar, organic brown sugar, unsalted butter. So some of it's organic, some of it is not. That is what it looks like. It looks like I might have one that got squished out. And it's 1.8 ounces. Does it say how many? It does not say how many there are. It says Little Apple Treats Spiced Apple Caramels. Tastes like delicious apple pie with warm spices of cardamom, allspice, cinnamon, and crushed vanilla, made from freshly pressed cider from heirloom apples on their Sonoma County organic farm. Well, that sounds delicious. Okay, and next out, I don't know what's on it, but it's so cute. Look, it's a little bucket. It says Fire Lake Soapery. So is it soap? I don't know. Let's check it out. Oh, nope. Sweet Pear Candle. Let me try and get it out without doing any damage. It's so stinking cute in here. And look, that's a cute little pear candle. You guys know I love candles. Oh my gosh, it smells... When I say it smells like pear, it doesn't smell like, oh look, they made that smell like pear stuff. It smells like a pear, like if you cut a fresh pear. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's gonna be so cute lit up. Hand poured soy candle wax, essential oils, and love. So that is our first Fruit for Thought. It is November and the theme was caramel pear. And what we received was this really cute sweet pear candle. How cute is he? The freshly pressed cider Little Apple Treats Spiced Apple Caramels. The Eat This Yum Spiced Caramel Pear Jam. Yum. The Capuli Club Peaceful Pear Edible Tea. I didn't put this behind me. Oh, I got that. This is my Christmas theme. That's all I've done so far. I haven't made it to Home Goods. So I put up this little felted garland, and I worked out that my lights can be different colors. So they're green for the festive holiday, and because it was Fruit for Thought, I thought green was more appropriate than red. See, goes with our theme. The Caramel Pear Room Scent, and the cutest pen ever. So stinking cute. That is what was in the November theme. See, I made it look pretty since I didn't put it behind me. And I think it's really cute. It is $39.95. It comes out monthly. It has a different fruit or vegetable theme each month that it comes out. I will put the link and my code Kathrin10 below. It will get you 10% off your subscription, whether you do a single or you can do it up to 12 months. You will receive 5 to 7 products each month in a combination of products and scents, flavors, and colors that coordinate with that month's theme. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. If you have any questions and I can answer it, let me know below. If I can't answer it, I will try and find out an answer for you. Thanks again for coming by. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.